You are watching a live hockey game. The action is fast, and suddenly, a player slams an opponent right into the glass. Right behind that hit, you see a logo on the boards that you recognize, perhaps a local car dealership or a bank from your own neighborhood. Now, imagine a friend of yours is watching that exact same hit at the exact same time from a living room in Tokyo or London. On their screen, the advertisement behind the player is completely different. Your screen functions as a magic window, a dynamic, personalized lens that tailors the background for whoever happens to be watching. The physical stadium operates like a live-action movie set, using massive, invisible green screens to change the environment for the camera. Every live sports broadcast paints a customized digital illusion, building a new reality for each specific region while the game is still in progress. To understand how this works, we have to look at the scale of these stadiums. The perimeters are often lined with massive digital screens. For the thousands of fans sitting in the stands, those screens display standard, continuous video advertisements throughout the game. The technology relies on a split-second trick. The boards flash a solid blank color for a fraction of a millisecond, which happens too fast for the human eye to see. While the board flashes a blank color, the broadcast camera opens its shutter at that exact microsecond to capture the blank space. The broadcast computer then takes that blank slate and slots a new regional advertisement right over it. This synchronization creates two separate realities at once. The crowd at the game has an uninterrupted experience, while you see a targeted digital canvas at home. Placing an image on a wall is easy until an athlete runs in front of it. In a live game, players are constantly crossing over those digital canvases. In older broadcasts, any attempt to put a graphic on the screen would project right over the top of the players, breaking the illusion. Today, networks employ a digital coach, an artificial intelligence system that monitors the entire game using high-tech sensors in the stadium rafters. This system follows every person on the field, tracking their speed, their exact physical location, and the movement of the ball or puck. This animation shows what the artificial intelligence sees. It builds a three-dimensional wireframe map of the field in real time. The AI uses this map to mask the graphic, painting the advertisement only in the areas behind the players. This real-time awareness keeps the digital images in the background where they belong, turning what could be a distracting glitch into an invisible, professional illusion. The digital coach's tracking ability goes beyond placing advertisements. Networks use those same precise locations to project helpful details onto your screen, like glowing trails on a hockey puck, the yellow first down line, or live player speeds. If you were sitting in these stands, you would see a clean, traditional physical environment. There are no glowing lines on the actual ice. At home, you see a data-rich environment. This dual reality provides every single audience member with the exact experience they need, based on where they are watching. The next time you watch a game, look out for the seamless teamwork between the magic window and the digital coach. The modern sports broadcast transforms a shared physical event into a personalized visual world, created in the blink of an eye.